Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to change your profile picture on ProtonMail. So guys, first of all, log in and accessing the setting. Open your web browser and go to the mail.proton.me. Enter your Proton username and password to log in. Click the option of setting icon in the top right corner from the left sidebar and select the option of go to settings. After that, finding the profile picture options in the main setting menu, click the option of account and the password. Scroll down to locate the profile picture section and you will see your current avatar or the placeholder image here. After that, uploading and adjusting your avatar, click the option of upload button or existing profile picture. Browse your computer and select your desired image file. Drag the corner of the crop box to adjust the picture and ensure your face or subject is perfectly centered. Step 4, confirming and saving your changes. Review the cropped preview of your new profile picture. It's satisfy. Click the option of save button to apply it. Confirmation message will be appear shortly. Your new avatar will now display across your ProtonMail.